Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful purple, dark and sultry and glittery kind of look for you. And it is using some SheGlam products. And SheGlam is from Shein, which will be linked in the description box below. And if you want some very affordable, great quality makeup, definitely check out SheGlam. And we're using the Violet Vision palette today, and I love how this look came out. And today I'm using the SheGlam eyeshadow primer. There is two different ones on their website, but this one is the more gel silicone formula, and I've applied that and I have powder under the eyes to catch fallout. Of course we're using the SheGlam Violet Vision palette. I'm going to take a mixture of these two purple matte shades, and they're just kind of lavender lilac kind of shades. I am applying them, just getting both of them on the fluffy crease brush. Also, the brushes I'm using in the video are also from SheGlam. These brushes were $2.50 for 8 of them, I believe, and they are nice quality. They're soft and there weren't a lot of bristles falling out. I'm taking this dark shimmery purple. On the eye, it really won't apply that shimmery. Like, you'll barely be able to see the shimmer in the shade. This is going on the side of that fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to pat that in the outer corner up into the crease against the orbital bone. And this has a black base, and you can see the purple shimmers running throughout it on the lid. Now in the pan, it looks just purple shimmery, you know, but it has a lot of black. So I'm taking this darker purple called Meet Me Halfway right there. I was showing all the fallout. There's a lot of fallout. So it's very important to wear a, if you've done your face first, some loose powder under the eye to catch all that fallout, because this black purplish shade is so very potent. And I will apply that dark purple shade right in the center of the lid next to the dark purple that we applied in the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with the crease shades and do a little bit of blending and blend that black. It does take a little bit of time to blend out, but it does blend out into each other. The NYX Glitter Primer or Glitter Adhesive, I'm going to use this on the lid, so I get a little bit of that. I put it on the lid, and I'm going to be taking Crystal Baller, which is the glitter in the palette, and applying that to the lid. Now, if you don't want your lid to still be showing, then I would suggest applying a powder first and then doing the glitter. It didn't really bother me. I just tapped the glitter on top of the adhesive primer, and voila, very gorgeous glitter. I had to use this for my first look. I'm taking Unicorn in the palette, which is just a matte white. This brush is just a eyeshadow brush. It's from Clean Color, and I'm using that for the brow bone. This one did not come from SheGlam. I'm just applying the brow bone highlight and blending it down into the crease colors. And once that's done, I'm wiping away my fallout. And I'm going to try to get the glitter off, and you'll see me take some masking tape, which is surprisingly very easy on the skin, and just take the glitter off. And I'm going to use the dark purple we applied in the center of the lid next to the outer corner on the lower lash line. Now, picking up this shade here, did not catch the name of that, but I'm going to spritz that with this Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Spray, and I'm just going to kind of foil that and apply it in the inner corner. And it is a white with a blue purpley duochrome. So pretty. This is an LaColors gel eyeliner in Enchanted, and I'm using the WetnWild Breakup eyeliner also to tightline with. The LaColors Biggie Lash Mascara. I'm doing a couple coats of that. I did not have time to do lashes today, which I would have loved. The lipstick also is from SheGlam, and it is like a lustrous matte shade. It's just a nude shade. We actually had to go not only pick Connor up, but we had a fallen officer in our town who was hit by a drunk driver, so we were watching the funeral procession go by, which was 7 miles long. The whole county, all the surrounding cops in our state came. Yes, I was in a hurry, so no lashes today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look, found it helpful. We'll try it out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list, and stay tuned for more videos like these.